first important things to do is to program a key, and then make sure that you've got this card reader on the outside. So if you want to read the card from here, you're going to place that card reader facing this way. Or if you're going to want it to read from up here, then you're going to place the card reader that way. Next, make sure this is flush and mark your center holes. Mine is marked right here from this hole, right there from that hole. And I've got it all the way flush up to here. In order to figure out where the screws are going to go up in here, measure from here to the center hole. 1 5/8.